Syphilis is a sexually transmitted disease that can affect your genitals, skin, brain, liver, and many other parts of your body. The bottom line, syphilis is spreading and spreading quickly in Hamilton County, and the reasons are interesting. Syphilis in Hamilton County is a growing problem that could get out of control. Dr. Larry Holdridge is the medical director of the Cincinnati Health Department and says there are two reasons for the outbreak.
Providers aren't thinking about syphilis. People are going to the doctor with rashes and some of the symptoms of syphilis and aren't getting diagnosed. If you're not diagnosed, then you can spread it to others.
To combat that, the Cincinnati Health Department held 2 training seminars for medical professionals, explaining that syphilis should be on their radar and what to look for. However, the second reason is a little more complicated.
People who are actually going on websites to meet partners for sex, and they're sometimes not even getting a real name, so that's sometimes almost anonymous sex. And we've seen that is a factor in some of these cases of syphilis that we're seeing.
To put the problem in perspective, there were 56 cases of syphilis in 2007. That number increased moderately to 70 cases in 2008. However, Hamilton County saw an alarming 171 cases in 2009. Hamilton County is on track to reach 300 cases by the end of 2010. Just this week, the Cincinnati Health Department assembled the Syphilis Outbreak Mobilization Team. Members will hit the streets in several Cincinnati neighborhoods, which are seeing a high number of syphilis cases, offering education, counseling, testing, and referrals for treatment.
Prevention and education on the subject matter is always a great thing.
Dr. Holdridge says practicing safe sex could quickly curb the spread of syphilis, but realistically, his team must keep educating and treating.
It's the start of an outbreak, and whether or not it becomes a major deal depends on how effectively we can deal with it at this point.
And if you go back 10 years, there were only about a dozen cases of syphilis for the entire year. So while the numbers are not large compared to the population, it could be the beginning signs of a big problem. To find out where you can get free testing, just go to WCPO.com. We'll have all the information there. Julie.